Okay, for you PAP users that have been using CPAP therapy for a while and you spend cash for your supplies, I have a list for you of replacement supplies. It is labeled replacement supplies. However, I don't know what mask you use, so I'm going to put all the different styles of masks that have the best feedback. I am going to have in there the tubing, the water chamber, all of the pieces that goes to your style of mask, as well as filters and anything else that you want. Put that in there. Tell me what you use, and I will keep updating that for you. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.